Ateng'eri aria makarugamirira bururi mbitika-ini cia Commonwealth ni mathiete na mbere na mehaririria mao kiharo-ini gia Kasarani mbere ya ngucanio icikurwo mwaki mweri nyamweri twerekeire mucii wa Gold Coast bururi-ini wa Australia. Hau kabere ateng'eri aya ni nimakungitie thirikari na njira nene kumana na gucerithirio kwa marihi mao oro undu umwe na wagi wa indo cia mehaririria magikwira ungumania kuma kuri atongoria matiganite niaria Mwandiki mukaru ministry ya mathako Kirimi Kaberia akumithietie na njira nene.
So far I've just checked with Cooperative Bank and all the names that were given with all the accounts on Cooperative Bank have been paid. I have also sent the people to check in other banks. But what I want is for somebody to come out and say, I am an athlete, I am traveling between today and Monday, for example, and I have not received my money.
Oho Kaberia ni akumithietie ndumiriri iria iranyagio nenda-ini cia kiiriu cia ukinyaniria cegemaini na maabitha aria magatongoria timu ya bururi itaitano-ini cia Commonwealth. Ukungia wara wa kuongerera airitu atano aria ti ateng'eri orona kana andiki a mohoro hari namba ya ateng'eri aria makaumagara nginyagia bururi wa Australia.
This story of there is this person or that person who is going and they have nothing to do, I can attest to you here now that 100% of the people that are on that list are people with actual responsibilities. The other people who may go are only the ministry officials with duties. Yeah, we've cut down. If you don't have a responsibility, you're not going.
Athaki 136 kuma guku bururi-ini nio merĩgĩrĩirwo kunyita itemi mbitika-ini cia mwaka uyu gikundi kia mbere gikiumagara muthi wa ruciu. Kumana na icanjama iria ikoretwo igũmĩire ministry ya mathako makiria cio thukangia wa mbeca riu thirikari ni hinyĩrĩirie mũrugamo wayo na kuga atĩ gũtirĩ mũndũ ona ũmwe ũgekinya Australia angĩkorwo ndagakorwo arĩ ũmwe wa timu iria ikarugamirira bururi mbitika-ini cia Commonwealth. Ngiribotera Kameme TV haro-ini kuma kiharo gia Kasarani njĩtagwo mwihaki wa Ndogo.